Dr. Victor Vindeca does a 19 hit.
Yeah, it hits by a lot.
No.
It hits by a lot.
Dr. Victor.
His AC is 9.
My AC is a 9.
What the darn?
Why are you here?
And what do we see when we look at you?
Dr. Victor Vindeca is a tall, lean, gaunt, haggard-looking man.
So tell me about yourself. When did you first know that you were a lich?
Lines and wrinkles across his face that seem to be much older than he is.
Why are you always seeming like you're dead, dying?
He wears fine clothes that have definitely seen better days. His hair is, greased and proper, but it's hard to tell if that's from fine pomade or he just hasn't found a good place to shower for a little while.
I was gonna say you look a bit peaky. You want some bread? You should see the doctor. You should see the doctor.
He is a doctor, isn't that so funny?
So funny.
So funny. What am I seeing? So as I'm asking the doctor a million questions, do I need investigation for that, or do I?
Are you all right, doctor? You look so waxy and pale.
Well, who's to say that they're dangerous? I mean, we've got a vampire right here, you know?
I am outside in the daylight.
Come. And yes, we got to keep her hydrated. She's got sick ripe, and sick ripe makes them very unpleasant, especially if they get a little bit dehydrated. They start complaining, and you do not want them to start complaining. Oh, you have some gloves. That's a good idea. Oh, look, it's a fancy guy and his own pair of gloves.
Yay. Now he just looks like an assassin.
If there are more crumpets, I'm going to be destroying this one.
Gwen will go to reach for one and then realize, watch you just housing these and kind of slide hers towards you. Just kind of give you a wink.
Thank you so much.
Oh, are you sick?
No, just very tired. A lot of traveling recently.
You seem to have just had food for the first time. Ever.
Pop this bread down on the table. I've got the magnifying glass out. How long has the gripe been around?
That's not how you prepare a slide, doctor.
The real fact of the matter is, especially on soft things like bread, y'all, if you see the mold, that means that the hyphae, the roots of the fungus, has already permeated the entire thing. The mold that you see on the surface is like flowers. So in the same way that you can't just cut the top of a rose.
Hey, make your own YouTube video about that.
Fine. Okay.
Thank you for not murdering me in my sleep.
It's my favorite thing to do is not murder you.
Dr. Victor, out of curiosity, when you went to med school, were you sick the day they taught bedside manner?
Actually, if you don't mind, I think I find there's something here. And I go to your shoulder, if you let me, and do this motion. There, you seem to have a little chip on your shoulder. I was trying to wipe it off.
Can you survive in sunlight?
I'm wearing clothes.
He's a very sick man.
So sad.
It's not too late to retcon. He needs some milk.
Man.
He needs some soup.
I didn't expect to be. Neither I nor Victor expected to be in this situation. Gwen something, and she assured me that I could stay upstairs and...
Gwendolyn?
Sure.
Archer's baby girl?
She didn't look like a baby girl to me, but I'm sure she was at one point or another.
We all know Victor's the baby
Depends
girl.
on what you're into.
Yes, I know. I was the one who was standing there, getting hit, not running away and leaving you alone.
Were you standing?
Got him.
If you're enjoying this series, please consider sharing it with friends and family and neighbors and loved ones so that they can also pitch in and help this amazing cause. Doctors Without Borders are real live heroes in the real live world that are saving real live people and keeping them real and alive. And you can be a part of that just by using the donation link down below and the share button as well.
Forrest,
Please.
if they want to tell other people about the show, what hashtag can they use?
They can use hashtag InitiaGive, Katie. It's on the screen right now.
Whoa!
By the magic of editing.
Wow, that's a beautiful unicorn.
Go
That's
for it.
on the screen right now.
Yeah, that's
unicorn
there.
too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Unicorn.
Nobody else say anything else that's
Wow, I can't believe it's diving into that volcano.
Sure is.
Forrest, why would you put such an embarrassing picture of your younger self on the screen?
I don't even have those.
That's shitting in the toilet? Why?
Yeah. Yeah, that's, you know
That's
what?
definitely going to end up on the editing room floor.
Oh.
Thank you, everyone, and we will see you next time.
Thank you, bye.
Bye.